On October the 24th, 2024, at approximately 12:48 p.m., an officer with the Columbus Division of Police was on routine patrol when he observed a vehicle matching the description of a vehicle that was used by a stabbing suspect earlier in the day in a neighboring city. The officer attempted to get a closer look at the vehicle, but it took off. Mr. Justin Vinson was wanted for breaking into his ex-girlfriend's apartment and attacking her, then stabbing another man who was on scene, as well as a dog.
190 southbound Warren from Sullivan is a 58 vehicle for the 14.
I copy. Southbound Warren from Sullivan is a 58 vehicle out of the 14. Anybody start that way? My telephone is very that way right now.
Coming up to Mound.
I copy. Coming up to Mound.
Westbound Mound, coming up to Hague.
Westbound Mound coming up to Hague.
Northbound Hague.
We're looking for a
Eastbound Whitehead, northbound Harris. Eastbound Vida. Northbound Warren, coming up to Sullivan. Break. It's going to go northbound the wrong way up Warren. Can we verify that they filed felonious assault out of this? Eastbound Wicklow, coming passing Ogden. Went through Burgess. Through Terrace, coming up to Wayne. Northbound Wayne. Eastbound Sheridan. Northbound Oakley. Coming up to Broad, passing Palmetto.
northbound Oakley. No traffic.
Chopper 30 seconds away.
Eastbound Broad from Oakley. Passing time, still eastbound. Eastbound, passing Whitehead, still 80 mile an hour. Light traffic. One in the car.
190 Ford into the back of him. He went southbound Belvedere. Looks like he's making his way. Oh, he flipped it.
Hands! Stay there! Stay the fuck down! Get the fuck off me, bitch! Nah, we ain't going for that. We ain't going for that.
I got underneath.
We ain't going for that.
Come on, put your hands behind your back.
I'm not worried about it.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm dying any fucking way.
We got you, man.
I'm dying him. Get him a taser. Taser me, I'll have a heart attack. And I'll die anyway.
Hey, give me cuffs. Cuffs. Wait. Get one cuff that will work the other. Push it off. All right, we're gonna pull this way.
Push toward Kenny.
Which way?
One,
Push
two,
towards me.
three. I'll die anyway.
Okay. I got this arm, Jack.
I'll die anyway.
Get that arm?
Got it. Yep. Go ahead, take it. Go ahead. Got it.
Got a lot of cars out here from Mitch. Okay.
You guys good? Take a break.
190.
Back up, guys. Yep, we're good. Straight us down.
190 in custody. Start us at 24.
One started that
Tap out.
way.
You guys need a break? We got
No,
it.
we got
I'm good. I'm not fighting
You
no
guys
more.
okay?
Yep.
He's not here.
You said you're good.
Somebody
Get a hobble.
in this alleyway.
Okay.
Yeah, just go eastbound pad, come around. Nice job, guys.
That was fucking fun. That was fun.
190.
Hey, whoever
that
bumped me in the back, hey yo, you a
Interference.
hell of a driver, bro.
You're welcome, boss. Turn that down. Calm down.
You're a hell of a driver,
Put
whoever
that
that was.
interference of custody report back.
Ain't no
on the board.
weapons
I'm
in
not
this
gonna make it.
motherfucker.
Okay, I got me.
I'm sorry, Lynn.
You good, bub?
I'm good.
All right, we're gonna stand you up.
Yo, be careful.
We're gonna stand you up.
I'm not playing when I'm saying I'm dying.
I believe you. That's why I said we got you. We're not gonna fuck with you, but we need you to cooperate. You understand me?
I hear you.
We're gonna roll you on your right side. You understand me?
I hear you. Hold on. Tuck your knee up under you. And we're gonna sit up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There we go. We're up. Give me my boot.
We'll get it on once you
I'm a
get in the car.
diabetic and I got cancer. I cannot be on this hard ass floor with my feet. Can I have my boot? Yeah, it's right there. We're good.
Yeah.
And then pick your foot up. Thank you. Push. I can't. I don't have no strength no more.
Tell the medic to come from Broad. We're making a full now.
Got it? Yeah. Just breathe right now, all right? We got a medic coming.
I don't have my morphine.
Will you check the cuffs?
Yeah, I got you.
Listen, we're gonna adjust your cuffs, okay? Just sit straight up. You're good. Medics are coming. Let's put a second set.
What's your
other set? Let's get this one first. Is it
I'll do this right arm. I'll let you have his arm. I'll keep the cuff.
I know.
We're just gonna get 2 pairs of cuffs on you, all right?
We're gonna give you a little bit of space, but that's trust.
I hit the damn pole when I hit the turn. I was going too fast. I don't drive like that. Not in this bitch. I know my baby needs some work.
Hey, just stand still with your hands for a second, all right?
I ain't worried. I'm about to die anyway. She's gonna go. I got less than fucking 4 months to go.
Well, I hope
And
that
y'all
changes.
here for this bitch. And you know what? That's okay, because my people got my cell phone and all that shit that started this whole little situation. So y'all about to see all that.
All right, fire.
Get those voicemails!
All right, we're gonna stand you up, partner, and we're gonna walk you to the medic.
Do not underhook my arms.
Okay.
How would you like us to do it?
Just,
then, big
I
dog?
don't know. Just
You ready?
You can lean up into me.
We got you.
You ready?
Let your fault. Just stand.
Lean backwards.
There you go.
There you go. Just take your time. There you go. All right. Let's walk on our own power.
Walk around a little bit.
It's mine.
How you doing, sir? What's your name?
Huh? No, he just locked on the back,
I don't know your name.
or he locked up on Broad to make the turn, and I locked up, touched the back of him, and then he turned. And then he came over here, tried to loop around, and he...
I just didn't know how your damage got. That's all.
This was not...
Not this, yours.
That was from his rear end on Broad.
Who you talking to?
My truck.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna need to go to the hospital.
Yeah. Why don't you walk this way, sir?
Mr. Vincent was arrested and charged with 2 counts of felonious assault, 1 count of aggravated burglary, and 1 count of misdemeanor injuring an animal. He died from illness prior to the case going to trial.